But they still have the upper hand dito sa ball game natin. Kaya nothing to worry.
Fourth quarter begins. Sure to be an exciting finish. Pihit mula kay Sanchez. Mintis for point blank.
Pinili. Kumbaga, pinersa na ni Justin Sanchez doon. Kaya lang, ang lakas ng tira niya.
Here's Omar Gordon. One of two players in double figures for LPU. That time misses badly. Cajucom has it. Pat Cajucom will back up. They swing it on top here to Torres for the table setting. Cajucom for three. He knocks it down.
Ito na. Down to 3. Kalamangan nitong LPU with 55 to 52 para dito sa early start of our fourth quarter.
How about Josh Cajucom, known as a defensive guard, able to provide offense off the bench. Moralejo setting up Versosa. Uy, tutukan na!
Nabitawan yung tira ni Versosa.
Rafi Celis, offensive foul on the rookie to the dismay of Benild's coaching staff.
Medyo pinilit niya kasi. Nandun na sa harap si Gordon. Ito yung gandang hanap ni Torres para dito kay Cajucom sa 3. Ito yung atake ni... nasa harap.
Malinaw naman.
Kumbaga, talagang sinumove niya doon si Omar Gordon. And yung mga ganong klase ng defender, hindi mo basta-basta kumbaga, hindi basta-basta mahahawi yun.
Yeah.
Pag nahawi mo, ibig sabihin, ang lakas ng epekto.
Correct. Halata na yun. Okay. Pasa natin sa ating courtside reporter for a fourth quarter report. Here is Fatima Reyes.
Martin and Boe asked Coach Gilbert Malabanan what is the key to winning in this game, and he answered with one word: sipag. And this echoes the huddle of the LPU Pirates to continue the patience that they are showing. Pero ito na naman daw tayo sa dulo ng laro kung saan napasigaw na si Coach Gilbert na this quarter is always killing us. Kaya naman sana ay nagising daw ang mga pirata na sa dami ng laro na ganito ang tinatakbo. Alam nilang ang susi para maipanalo naman ito ay huwag ibaba ang kumpiyansa at ituloy ang gigil na meron sila umpisa pa lamang. Now let's just see if this game will finally favor the LPU Pirates. Martin and Bo?
It's been happening in many games for LPU this season. That fourth quarter collapse, they're hoping to mend that here. Maraming salamat sa report, Fatima Reyes.
Ang inaano nila doon is yung hatak naman nito ni Gordon. Yun ang, pero nauna kasi yung on this replay, nauna yung show off ni Celis bago hinatak ni Gordon. So,
momentum swing to Big Bo. Stoppage
Nauna kasi yung before.
But it was on the neck.
Above the shoulder.
Yeah.
Let's see what are they gonna call?
Okay. So, ang itatawag nila dito, we were hearing the discussion between Toti Celeste and Aaron Cañete. They're discussing, first off, the offensive foul. That was the initial call. And then afterwards, unsportsmanlike foul against Omar Gordon. So that will be the sequence of the calls. So,
yung kasi mahirap. Yung bawi.
Yeah.
Mas mabigat. Usually, mas mabigat ang nagiging parusa nun.
So, ang ending nito, 2 free throws plus possession para sa
Si Celis, yes. Imbis na bola na ng LPU, ang mangyayari ngayon, 2 free throws for Celis, kung ganun nga. Kung ganun ang magiging tawag. Ayun na nga.
Confirmed. Unsportsmanlike foul on Omar Gordon on that review.
Number 5, Omar Gordon.
Same scenario kanina kay Gaspay.
Yeah.
Siya yung gumante dito kay Omar Gordon, thrown out siya. Dahil nga sinuntok niya itong si Gordon. Dito naman, it's already an offensive foul on Celis. But, yun nga, kaya tinawagan ng unsportsmanlike foul.
This is the first trip to the free throw line for Rafi Celis today. Again, Late entry to si Rabi Celis. He's only played 10 minutes. But it's been productive for the Blazers.
Akala mo nga kanina, hindi pinasok ng first half eh, no?
Correct. Kasi babagya lang.
Ang bilis eh, ang bilis niya eh.
But he misses the first free throw. Splits his charities. A potential momentum swing in the contest. Oh! Benilde basketball. Should be. Yeah. Should be Benilde basketball. Dahil yun ang pinaka-latest na tawag. So it's a sideline inbound for the Benilde Blazers.
Kasi offensive foul muna, tapos unsportsmanlike foul. Kaya 2 free throws plus ball possession para dito sa CSB. Nababa na nila sa 2.
Yeah.
Panamangan. Ito na yung pinaka-close talaga sa ball game natin na ito.
From 16 points down, can they tie it up? Sanchez is smothered.
Traveling. Tinawag ng ating referee. He already had a pull up there sa may elbow. Pero, alam mo yun, sa bagay, hindi mo naman sisisi si Justin kasi kanina niya pa tinatry sa tutukan.
Yeah.
Hindi rin siya, kumbaga, nagmi-miss pa siya on point blank.
Yeah.
Kaya ang ano ni Justin siguro is, hindi, attack, I'm just gonna go hard to the basket. Pero yun nga, he was called for the traveling.
55 to 53. Can LPU find life? That time.
Pinahihirapan talaga itong si Renz Villegas. Ito ni Kahukom. The defender that we know Kahukom is, pinapakita niya rito kay Renz Villegas ngayon.
Again, they don't have Ato Barba. Renz Villegas. Aviles, 4 to shoot. Oh, agaw ni Rabi Celis. Look out!
Uy!
Celis goes all the way. We're all tied up.
Oo, inahabol pa ni Dailig yun. Gusto niyang i-chase down block pero nauna na doon si si Celis.
First deadlock of the game. Broken right away by Versosa.
Ginantihan naman agad ito ni Versosa doon. Pero pilit yung tira eh. Sina-challenge nila itong si Sean Umali.
Celis. Sean for 3. Sean knocks it down. Big 3 for the former LPU Pirate.
Lamang ng CSB dito. 58-57.
Their first lead since the first quarter, but Moralejo counters right back with his own basket.
Yes, sir. Oh. Sabi ni Moralejo, kung kaya mo tumira sa labas, kaya ko rin naman.
Bounce pass. Kahukom scores. Both teams executing well in the fourth quarter.
Pagandahan ng execution dito. Kung sino ang malingat on defense, kaya sa nangyari doon, itong si Renz Villegas ay nanunood lang. Bumakdoor itong si Kahukom. Kaya naman libre-libre. Ito na naman si Moralejo. Wala.
Mintis lang yung tres. Umali pulls it down. Benilde will have a chance to extend their lead. Their biggest lead for Benilde in this game, 5-2. Torres, no. Quick shot for Ian Torres. Here's Moralejo. Versosa swings it back to Moralejo here against Kahukom. Aviles from mid-range.
Short.
Rebound ending up with Torres.
Eto na.
Sanchez makes his move. Kahukom denied.
Inabot.
Villegas 3-on-2. Renz, nice D by Torres. How about Ian Torres preventing that basket?
Good recovery by Ian Torres. Res Villegas has the momentum on that end, pero napigilan niya. Ito yung atake ni Shelly. Sa habulin pa ni Dahilig eh. Pero alam niyang hindi niya naaabutin. It's either you commit a foul and one. Hinayaan niya na lang. Ito naman yung atake ni Bersosa. Wala lang pupuntahan. Nagawan lang talaga ng paraan.
And Sean Umali, again, today playing with a chip on his shoulder against his former team. Moralejo with the answer on the other side. Moralejo now with 10 points. Kahukong flips it out. Umali from the same spot. Maiksi ito. Or Ancheta rather. Could not get it. Villegas rips out the board. Dahilig from inside the arc. No!
Wala.
So both teams coming out empty. Liwag. Inside pass. Sean Umali. Give me an and one, Big Sean.
Basket counts. Back in foul at number 12, Neil Moralejo. That's his second.
The motivated Sean Umali. Diba?
Look at this. Big to big passing.
Yun nga yung leeway na meron si Coach Charles. Of you having Umali and Liwag, one guy is backing down, automatic may double. Malilibre. Even if you miss, there's still one guy there who can get the rebound.
Those are two dominating forces.
Yes.
For Benio down low.
And ngayon ka lang din na-encounter na ganito katagal naglalaro itong dalawa to.
Nasabay, yeah.
Usually, magsasab to sa isa't isa eh. Or magsabay man sila. 1-2 minutes lang. Ito si Montaño. Wala.
Oh! Kumalog. That was halfway down for Montaño. That would have tied the game. Instead, it gives a chance to Benilde. Inot.
Oy!
Ooh, broken up.
Nasobrahan yung selfishness doon ni Tony Inot. Pwede niya nang itira. Pero gusto niya pang ibigay kay Allen Liwag.
4:36 to go.
Yun yung kailangan maintindihan nitong CSP. Malakas. Na pwede ka namang tumiray kasi you have two bigs there who will get the rebound.
Yeah, that's true.
Oy!
Moralejo threw it away. And Benilde has the numbers. Liwag will walk to the basket. Biggest lead for the Blazers. We got a foul here against Benilde.
And yun na naman yung sinasabi natin kanina na, alam mo yun, they're in the ball game for almost 3 quarters. Pagdating ng 4, doon nagko-collapse. Ito yung dish out ni Tony Inot kaya yung Liwag doon. Pagdating ng 4, nagko-collapse eh. Di ba? They had 6-point lead at the end of the third quarter. Pagdating ng 4, it's a 15-4 scoring run para dito sa...
Parang nauubusan ng bala. Itong LPU.
Hindi, ang nagiging problema din nila. Alam mo yun, gusto nilang rat-ratin. Nilulunod yung sarili sa... Alam mo yung ilalagay mo sa bingit yung sarili mo na wala ka na mapasaan until you commit a turnover.
Yeah.
Parehas na nangyari doon kay Moralejo. Gusto niyang rat-ratin dito. Inatake niya going to the baseline hanggang sa wala na siyang mahanap, napapasahan. Turnover going to Tony Inot. Libre-libre si Allen Liwag mo pang fast break.
Dahilig. Wala. Hasn't exactly been the ideal day from long distance for LPU. 4 out of 22 as a team. So the Pirates run out of steam here in the fourth quarter again. And for the nth time in season 101. Ancheta. Inot. Ancheta. Pull up jumper. No. Villegas has it. Renz will handle. He needs to go to work. Renz. Pull up J. No.
Good intention by Renz Villegas. Kaya lang malakas yung pull up niya doon.
Enot. Goes to Liwag inside.
Wala ka na magagawa doon. Kapag ka napunta kaya ni Liwag sa gitna, it's either you foul him or just leave it there.
It's been all Benilde in the fourth quarter, and they lead it by 7. Balik sa ating laban. The Blazers have outscored the Pirates 17-4 in the fourth quarter. And this quarter alone has been the difference of the game. The Blazers coming back. LPU running out of bullets. Unable to counter this Benilde run. And look at that. Perfect recognition by Enot. Liwag had the position and the mismatch in the paint to get the easy hoop. 3:18 left. Big Bo.
With a 7-point lead.
Mahaba pa, pero kailangan magsimula na para sa LPU.
Yes, hindi pwede makikipagpalitan ka lang ng score dito. Kailangan you make a run.
Yeah.
At least 4-0 run para makabalik ka dito. Or as much as possible, if you can make it in less than a minute or 2.
Yeah, that's right.
Tumabla ka dito, may chance ka. Yun yung sinasabi na give yourself a chance. Ayun naman. Yun yung mga hindi mo pwedeng makumit in this kind of situation. Kasi nga, you were trailing and then you will commit a turnover. Sobrang mortal si Nod.
Yeah. At pagkatapos pa ng timeout nila, nangyari yun.
Ayun na naman yung dish out niya.
Liwag with yet another basket inside. Allen Liwag. Unstoppable. 14 points. Unstoppable in the fourth. 2:20 to go. It's a 9-point lead for Benilde. And the window is closing for LPU. And again, it's this two-man game between Enot and Liwag that's been working for Benilde.
Pinakukumit lang ni Tony Enot yung defender Tapos tsaka niya i-dish off dito kay Allen Liwag na, alam mo yun, nasa comfort zone niya na talaga.
Yeah. Montaño, still nothing from the outside. He hit one.
Hindi sila makahulog naman ngayon. Kung kanina, it's raining basket for them sa simula ng ball game natin. Pagdating naman dito, wala.
Rafi Celes. Nat Fuentes just entered the game. Montaño hesitating on the 3. Fuentes is inserted for shooting. You know this guy from the juniors team of LPU, he's a shooter.
Iyon naman.
Speaking of shooting, Villegas breathing life into this LPU offense. The lead is down to 6.
They need to step it up. Hindi ba pwedeng makikipagsabayan sila dito because they were down by 6 with only 1 minute and 25 seconds dito sa ball game natin.
Again, two-man game. Liwag this time covered by Aviles. No.
Pinilit niya doon. Libre si Sean umali dito sa ibabaw for the kick out. Pero pinilit ni Allen Liwag.
It's must-score time for LPU and they need to do it quickly. Fuentes, pinag-iisipan. Covered by Enot.
Alam ni Enot kung anong kayang gawin ng Fuentes
Yeah.
Kaya
Aviles, wala. Fuentes, long rebound. They get another crack. Palingayan to the cutting Villegas. The lead is down to 4. 5-0 spurt from the LPU Pirates. 45.6 seconds remaining. It's not yet over. Renz Villegas sinusubukang ibalik ang LPU dito sa ating laban. 5-0 run. A personal run for Renz Villegas to cut the lead down to 4.
Yeah. His own run. coming from a high of 9, baba sa 4. Kaya lang yun nga, the time is not on their side. They need to at least full court press.
Yeah.
They're not yet in the penalty. They only have 3 fouls. 3 team fouls. Renz Villegas already have 14 points. 5 out of 8 field goals.
Yeah.
Not too much of a shot for him.
True.
Without Ato Barba. Okay, expect ko dito mga 14-15 ang tinira nito. With 7 rebounds and 2 assists. So, the usual average, whose average is 16. You already have 14 now.
And here's the ball pressure. Dito naman magaling ang LPU.
Yes.
But Benilde is prepared.
Ayun, ang sinasabi natin.
LPU gets the steal. Here we go. Fuentes!
Yes, sir!
1-point game! Magic bunot, not Fuentes.
Oo, hindi naman uhugutin yan kung hindi buo ang loob niyan. Di ba?
Inot will back up. Liwag gets the hook to go.
Badly needed basket para dito sa CSB. Di ba? Coming off a turnover ni Alin Liwag dun sa backcourt kanina. Fuentes converted off a pass by Renz Villegas. Kaya ipinasok to, titira tong batan to. Pagdating naman sa kabilang side, wala na. Kung kanina hindi niya binigay kay Sean Umali, ngayon pa kaya, di ba?
Okay. Let's go to Coach Gilbert.
Tignan nyo to, ha?
Nat, makinig ka, Nat, ha?
Diyos! Ikaw muna to, Nat. Renz, ikaw to, Renz. Gail, dito ka lang. Besosa, saan ka? Ito ka, ha? Gitna ka lang. Okay, ito, tignan nyo. First to act natin. Renz, pumunta ka ng corner. Ha? Pero set a good screen, ha? Set a good screen. Pagpunta ni Renz sa corner.
Ato Barba. Again, absent in LPU's lineup.
The helpless.
Di mapakali yan.
Siyempre. Close game.
Close game.
Close game. But much needed Ato Barba in this type of ball game.
Okay.
Diba?
Big Bo, your Coach Gilbert, sino pupuntahan?
Ako, I would say they will go to Renz Villegas.
Okay.
Still. But kakashoot lang ni Fuentes. You will know, di ba? Kasi pinasok itong batang to take the outside shot.
Yeah.
And hindi naman siya pinahiya. Kanina pa siya hinahound ni Tony Inot. There's a one possession na nalibre si Fuentes and hindi naman siya napahiya.
Yeah.
Di ba?
That's right.
So,
here we go.
it might be Renz, it might be
12 seconds.
Fuentes. You wouldn't know. Di ba? Ito na nga.
Fuentes has it. Step back 3 for the tie. Go! Almost! But Benilde will escape with the win. The Blazers come back from 16 points down and take this one from LPU, 70 to 67. Alin Liwag in his old ways here. 16 points, 7 rebounds. Took him a while though, Big Bo, to get it going here.
Yes, sir. Oo. But still, the usual Alin Liwag that we know, he will provide the numbers in offense. Not a double-double guy ngayon. Kasi nga, maganda rin ang nilaro ni Sean Umali.
Yeah.
He's getting rebounds. He's getting offensive rebounds. So, kudos those guys. Umali and Liwag, who's, diba? Matagal, ito yung matagal ko nang gustong makita na magsabay itong dalawang to mag-complement sila sa laro nilang dalawa And yun nga, nakita natin in today's ball game na talagang nag-benefit itong dalawang to sa laro nilang dalawa. Kumbaga, hindi sila nag-inggitan, hindi nagsapawan.
Yeah. Pwedeng ito na yung pandiin ng lineup ni Coach Charles. Moving forward.
Most likely.
Yeah.
You have Inot, you have Sanchez, Liwag, and Umali. Nadagdag ka na lang ng guard.